Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial, but it's going to be a full glam makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how the finished look is going to look like, please keep watching. Baby, I can see you. I don't know if you guys can see, but my daughter's in her walker next to me. You can see her in the mirror. I need to grab a napkin. First, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm not going to show it on camera because I'm going to do a eyebrow routine video soon, hopefully. But yeah, so I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my eyebrows. I really had a hard time doing it this time because, I don't know. But this side was like weird. It was like way higher than this side. But I mean, your eyebrows aren't supposed to be exactly the same, you know. But I mean, I did my best. I tried. It's okay. My moisturizer. I'm gonna she's over here now. So I'm gonna be moisturizing my face with this Pixi Hydrating Milky Serum. I'm just gonna put it all over my face like this. I'm just gonna rub it in my skin to get my skin moisturized and hydrated.
I wrote the song as a message for help on behalf of anybody finding themselves. I wrote this letter to numb your pain. Every day I wake.
So I'm gonna do my eyes first because sometimes there is a lot of fallout onto my face. Oh, fuck. So I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This is only my second time using this. I just got it, but I was waiting to use it for my makeup videos. The past like 2 times I've actually used it. I actually really like it. I like the colors in here. So first I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Neutral. So I'm just going to be putting this all over my eyelids. And then I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend it out.
I got issues just like you got issues.
Okay, after I blended that out, I'm going to be going into my Soft Glam palette. I know it looks scary right now, but it's okay. I'm going to use this color, Sienna, right here. And I'm just going to put that all over my crease.
I've been hurt, I've seen the scar tissue. If I showed you, would you run away? I gotta hide them for you. Do I even need you? Should I leave you? Do I gotta be you just to please you? Do I say I'm all good when I bleed you? Do my heart quit tearing mine apart?
I honestly wished I was blessed with like good eyelid shapes because my eyelids are uneven. Like this eye is good. Let me zoom in. This eye is alright. I mean, there's a crease and everything, but this eye is like really hooded and it's hard to do stuff, especially if I want to do like a cut crease. Next, I'm going to be going in with Mulberry right here. I'm going to be going in with this color. And I'm just going to put this color all over my eyes, my whole eyelid. I'm just going to pack it on there. I'm only using 2 colors for this because, you know, that's just how I felt like doing it. But yeah. Okay, after I did that, I'm going to go back in with Sienna and just put it all over my crease again. So actually after I put Sienna back into my crease to blend out the colors, I went in with Orange Soda and I put it in my crease as well because the 2 colors kind of looked similar, so I had to go with a lighter color that didn't look the same as the color that I put on my eyelids. So I'm going to be taking Sienna and Orange Soda. I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. I'm not gonna go heavy on the eyeshadow under my eyes because I honestly don't like putting eyeshadow under my eyes because like I feel like it gets in my eyes and it just irritates it. So now I'm gonna be going in with the Better Than Sex mascara, the waterproof one, and I'm just gonna be putting it all over my eyelashes. So after I put mascara on my eyelashes, I'm gonna go in with the Dodo lashes for my falsies, and it's in D115. So like I bought a bunch of like makeup brushes, makeup bag. I bought this to put my fake eyelashes on. So these are some of the marble brushes I bought. I also got a rose gold marble brushes. There's a lot of them, and it came with this cute bag, and I really like it. I also bought these rose gold brushes as well. I really like it. If you want to buy brushes for a cheap price, you should go look on Wish. They have some really good quality brushes, and the prices are actually really good. You don't have to use fake eyelashes, but I like to use it because my eyelashes are really tiny. Like, you can't even see them, not even with mascara. Like, I try to coat my eyelashes as much as I can to make it like longer and more full, but it never works for me, so I like to put on fake eyelashes. As I was putting on this eyelash, I forgot that I wanted to do a wing eyeliner, but I mean, it's too late now, so I guess in the next video I'll do a wing eyeliner. So I have my eyelashes on. Now I'm gonna be doing my face. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Warm Beige, and I'm just gonna be using my Real Technique sponge to blend out my foundation. Now I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes, also on my forehead and my nose, just so I can cover up my under eye bags and to highlight. I'll be putting like a little dots because the last video I did this, it was my first time trying it, and I kind of went a little too heavy on this because it was my first time using it, and you know, I didn't know what to expect. But now I know that this is full coverage, so I don't need to put as much as I did the last video. So I'm just going to use this Morphe brush, and I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set under my eyes. I have like these baby hairs, and I really hate it. Look at it. It's like someone cut it, but my hair is just like that. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be highlighting my face. And then I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone. So this is the finished look. I'll zoom up so you can see closer. My eyes, my eyebrows, my face, that glow. Oh my god, look at that glow. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this, more makeup tutorials, you know, let me know in the comment box below. Like, subscribe, share my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey, shorty and I call a lift and we dip. I feel like shit get too high in my whip. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips. Watch how little shorty keep reading my lips.